Alright, for number 3, the first thing I'm always going to do when I'm factoring is to see if there is a greatest common factor. I'm always thinking of that. So, what are factors? You can put that in the box if you want. 2x squared is written as 2 times x, and then negative 8x you can write as negative 1 times 2 times 4 times x. Now, I don't recommend drawing this box every single time. Hopefully you're visualizing it. But class, what's the same in both of those boxes? Okay, pay attention. There is 1x and 1, 2. So 2x is my greatest common factor, and then whatever is left, what did I not circle? The x. Negative 1 times 4 is minus 4. So my answer is, to factor that, is just 2x times x minus 4. Remember, you can always check your answer by distributing. 2x times x gives you 2x squared, and 2x times negative 4 equals negative x. Now, I also kind of do the box because that's something you're kind of familiar with. Okay? So in this problem, I can't factor anymore. How do you know if you can factor or not? Well, look here. It's a binomial. It's not to the power of 2. Okay, so you can just stop there. What's the purpose of greatest common factor? Basically, it's allowing you to make the polynomial a little bit more manageable. Okay, let's try this next time. Factor 5x squared minus 20. Show me with your hands, what is the GCF? Yeah. 5 times x squared minus 4. Now let's just say this is on your next quiz, which is going to be next week, and you put a box around this as your final answer. I'd probably only give you 2 points out of 4. You found the GCF, but you didn't recognize that you can actually factor this again. I have 5 times x squared plus 0x minus 4. I put this thing here, the 0x, as a placeholder. Everyone say placeholder? And I did that so when I factor, now I can use my x and my box. If you haven't learned this, you need to. Letters on top are a times c. Inside there, I highlighted in pink. What is a times c, class? Negative 4. Remember, that becomes, this is your a value is 1, b value is 0, and c value is negative 4. Class, what's our b value? 0. I need two numbers that add to be 0, but they multiply to be negative 4. 2 and negative 2. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you'll recognize that you don't need to do the box. You only need to do the box when your a value is greater than 1. Okay, so write that in your notes so I can actually stop. Now, let's just say you did continue on and you did the box, you would still get the same answer, so it's not wrong. So my final answer is 5 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. You'll recognize that you have binomials left, and you cannot factor those anymore. And that's our answer.